You guys, welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving deep, and I mean deep, into the nitty-gritty of what trips up so many aspiring entrepreneurs. We're talking about the top 5 mistakes that I see people making out there in the business world, day in and day out. And trust me, I've been there, seen it all, but most importantly, I'm gonna break down exactly how you can dodge these bullets and set yourself up for success. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get this show on the road. Look, I can't stress this enough. You cannot build a business in a vacuum. You need to know your audience like inside and out. Who are they? What are their pain points? What keeps them up at night? This isn't just about demographics. It's about understanding their psychology. What makes them click that buy button? What are their objections? This is where market research comes in. It's not just some boring textbook concept. It's your secret weapon. Use surveys, stalk your competitors, get on the phone and talk to your potential customers. Get obsessed with understanding your market, because the more you know, the better you can tailor your product, your message, your entire freaking strategy to win them over. Listen, I love the hustle, the grind, the passion, but you know what I love more? Not going broke. And that's what happens when you don't respect the numbers. You need a financial plan from day one. I don't care if you're starting a lemonade stand or a tech unicorn. Understand your cash flow, track your expenses, and budget like your life depends on it. And don't be afraid to get help. Hire a bookkeeper, use accounting software, whatever it takes. This isn't about being a math whiz, it's about being smart with your money. Remember, profit isn't a dirty word. It's the oxygen that keeps your business alive. So treat it with the respect it deserves. You guys, your customers are the lifeblood of your business. They're the ones putting food on your table, so you better believe their feedback is pure gold. Don't be afraid of criticism, embrace it. Ask for reviews, send out surveys, be active on social media, and actually engage with what people are saying. Are they loving your product? Great! Find out why and do more of that. Are they complaining about something? Even better, it's an opportunity to improve and show them you actually care. Remember, customer feedback is free market research. Use it to iterate, innovate, and give the people what they want. You can have the best product in the world, but if nobody knows about it, you're going nowhere fast. That's why you need a solid marketing plan, people. And this isn't just about throwing money at ads and hoping for the best. It's about understanding your target audience, crafting a compelling message, and meeting them where they are. Content marketing, social media, email marketing, influencer outreach. There are so many tools in your arsenal. Experiment, track your results, and double down on what works. Remember, marketing is an investment, not an expense. And the more strategic you are, the higher your return will be. Let's get real for a second. I'm all about the hustle, the grind, the putting in the work. But you know what's not cool? Burning yourself out before you even get started. Listen to your body, take breaks, prioritize your mental and physical health. You can't pour from an empty cup, right? Delegate tasks, build a supportive team, and don't be afraid to set boundaries. It's not selfish, it's essential for long-term success. Remember, entrepreneurship is a marathon, not a sprint. Pace yourself, enjoy the journey, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. There you have it, folks. The top 5 mistakes that trip up so many aspiring entrepreneurs. But remember, knowledge is power, and now you're armed with the insights you need to avoid these pitfalls and build the business of your dreams. So get out there, hustle hard, and don't be afraid to make some noise. The world is waiting for your brilliance. Thanks for watching. For more information about marketing, please go to the description below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights and tips. See you in the next video.